Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another banger lined up for you guys. But first, if you guys are new here, my name is Christoph, also known as Toto, and I post custom shoe videos and tutorials every week or two. So if that's the type of video you guys are interested in and you guys like, well, this is a channel for you guys. So smash the subscriber button. Let's get 50 subscribers. As you guys have probably seen from the title of the video, today I'll be doing a tutorial video. I'll be going step by step and showing you guys how to customize this pair of Air Force Ones. Let's get into it. So guys, before we start the video, we need to talk about materials. For this shoe, I'll be using a pair of shoes, obviously, some paint, for which the link will be down in the description down below if you guys want to purchase some for yourselves. Some rubbing alcohol, some cotton balls, some paintbrushes, and some tape. These could all be found at either a pharmacy or your everyday art supply store. So guys, for step one, prepping, all we need to do is apply some rubbing alcohol with the cotton balls on the leather part of the shoe. This takes away the varnish that Nike had put on the shoe to protect it, and it makes painting on it so much easier. Guys, for step two, painting, a little trick to keep in mind is to apply many light coats of paint instead of few heavy coats of paint. That just makes the process so much quicker and the final product looks so much better. So guys, for step three, the stencil, basically what it is, it's just a piece of paper that I've cut out and I taped on the shoe. For step four, the varnish part. What I tend to do is let each coat cure for about 24 hours and I apply in between 2 and 4 coats per shoe.
Baby,
go guys, they're finally done. Let's check them out. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys like the video, why not hit the like button? And leave a comment down below. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 50 subscribers, and it would really mean the world to me if you guys hit that subscribe button. So yeah, hit the little red button right down here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.